Hey everyone, it's Dee here from CoinKite, and today we're demonstrating a Cove and ColdCard quick start guide. Let's get started. First, you'll need a ColdCard Q, two steel plates, and a steel punch. Now it's time to power on your ColdCard and create a secure PIN code. Go to Choose PIN Code and hit Enter. Hit Enter once more, then hit 6 to prove that you've read this. This PIN protects the device from unauthorized use. Choose something memorable, but not guessable. After re-entering your PIN and confirming your anti-phishing words, hit Enter to save. Now it's time to generate your seed words. On the cold card, select New Seed Words and choose 24 words. Hit Enter, and the device will display your seed phrase. This is the master key to your Bitcoin. Now it's time to stamp your 24 words into both steel plates using the steel punch. Store each plate in a separate and secure location. Now it's time to download Cove Wallet on your phone on iOS or Android. Cove is a Bitcoin only mobile wallet with full cold card support via QR codes. Open the app and select Hardware Wallet, then select QR code. Now, on your ColdCard Q, go down to Advanced Tools, select Export Wallet, then go to Cove and hit Enter. This creates a watch only wallet on your phone. It can see your balance and generate receive addresses, but cannot spend without your cold card. Hit the QR button, then scan with your phone. And as you can see, we've successfully imported that watch only wallet onto our device. Now you can start receiving Bitcoin to this wallet and start using it in a self custodial way. For exchange recommendations, go to bitcoinsecurity.org. And finally, practice. Lots of practice. Build, scan, sign, broadcast until it feels natural. You'll get the hang of it. It just takes time. Thanks for watching. For more information or to make a purchase, go to coldcard.com and check out our security guides at bitcoinsecurity.org.